Hello, my name is Swissbianco. We are here at the EVA 2012 at the Victorinox booth, and here we have the display, the brand new display of the limited edition Cadet European run. They've made 4,000 of those sets. As we see it here, it's 5 different colors: orange, silver, red, black and blue. It comes in a brand new packaging together with a leather sheet. On front we see the features of the Cadet. This version of the Cadet has not the split ring. On the back side we see the leather sheet. It has a pretty light color, brown color. I can't say exactly what kind of leather it is. I don't have the information yet. That is the first time I have it in my hand at this show. As we, it's a recycle, possible to recycle packaging. Yeah. As we open it up, try to do this with one hand. Oh, it folds open. Yes. Yeah, that's nice. On the sample with the orange one, I just opened the box. It folds open. Inside we see the knife and the sheet. As we take out the knife, below is the usual manual. The knife itself is the usual Cadet with the nail file. This one is of course orange color. Pretty nice orange. Yeah. Then we have the sheet, the leather sheet. It's pretty good in the box. Doesn't fall out that easy. Yeah, it's a clever made box with the insert. Yeah. Nice made with the slots and all. The sheet is kind of simple sheet. It doesn't have a belt loop on the back side. It is strictly for pocket carry, basically for protect the knife from dirt and scratches. As we open it up, you see inside is kind of softer material in the sheet. Stitching looks pretty nice too, and the knife of course fits in the sheet. I will put it back together. At the end of the video we have a silver color. Let's see quick. The logo on this one is gray. I hope, yeah, the cameras see that. So that was pretty rare made before. On some smaller Swiss Army knives we had the logo in a grey, medium grey color, and the aluminium in the standard silver. Then of course we have the red, that is standard red. Black, we had that with the black farmer, and the classic blue of course, always nice color. Comes with a display stand, cardboard. Each of those 4,000 set will come with a display case with a display stand. Plus, it's each 2 pieces of the colors, and these are 4,000 sets. That's how they made it. And if that is gone, oh, on the back side we have mountains too. Let's quick have a look on the back side. Yeah, that is nice. Yeah, see, the Swiss way to do it. On the back side it's printed on it too. Really nice made. Would be also look nice in the collection if somebody has all 5 knives just for put it on collection. That's what I will do. Okay, that much about the new European only version of the color Cadet for 2012.